Man killed and four others injured in Trelawny head-on crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A head-on collision on the overhead bridge along the North Coast Highway near Martha Brae in Trelawny claimed the life of a man and left four others injured on Thursday afternoon. The police have not yet released the identity of the deceased. Reports indicate that at around 4:30 p.m., two motor cars collided frontally, resulted in the injuries of all five occupants. One of the injured persons later succumbed to their injuries. This latest fatality pushes the number of road deaths in Trelawny since the start of the year to 9, two more than the 7 recorded during the same period in the year 2024. The Trelawny Traffic Department is investigating the circumstances surrounding the crash. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.